Hey guys, I hope you all are safe and doing good. As we all are in this lockdown for quite some time now. Even I have not stepped outside my house for 100 days now. Yes, I have counted. So I thought, why not share how I am handling this lockdown and share some tips with you. So let's start. Make a routine. No matter when you woke up or what time you go to sleep, make a routine around that, so that when you have time, you don't waste it in thinking what should you do next. Have something to look forward to. I post my videos on Friday. Saturdays are usually new recipe day. Sundays are mostly movie nights. So you can see the pattern. I have something to look forward for each day, so that all my days are not feel the same and I feel excited for each day. Try something new or keep yourself busy. Do something each day, like I work from home, so half of my day goes in office work, but whenever I have free time, I try something new, like some new course or something that keeps me busy. Take a break from social media. It's so important to take a break from social media and news. Consume as less as you can. I daily leave my phone for at least 1 or 2 hours a day to do something else without my phone or laptop. Also, I try to put reminders on my Instagram so that I don't spend too much time on that. And my most important tip, if you take anything from this video, take this. Have some quiet time. Have some quiet time with yourself. It's great to have some time for yourself. Meditate, do journaling, do anything. Just sit and listen to your thoughts. It's really easy to feel overwhelmed and feel different emotions. Just remember, you are not alone. You are important. Value yourself. On this note, I will end this video. If you like it, like this video. It really motivates me. Comment down below what are you doing on this lockdown and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.